If your BMW 7 Series is missing Apple CarPlay, you can add it yourself without spending thousands at the dealership. Over 90% of 7 Series models from 2017 onwards can enable this feature through a simple software update. First, you need to verify your current iDrive firmware version to ensure compatibility. The process involves checking your unit type, obtaining the correct FSC code, and flashing the update via an ENET cable. Make sure you have an ENET cable, a stable Windows laptop, and a battery charger to prevent power loss during the flash. Doing this yourself can save you hundreds of dollars compared to the standard dealership software package. Always keep your ignition in diagnostic mode and use a charger to protect your vehicle's sensitive electrical modules. Once the update finishes, your 7 Series will reboot with full wireless CarPlay support, ready for the road ahead.